5 smart ways to get 4,000 watch hours really fast, grow your channel and get monetized. These are things I will do if I were to start a new YouTube channel today. Number 5 is my favorite. It's actually something I did when I started that helped me a whole lot in getting 4,000 watch hours. And a lot of my students are currently using it to grow their YouTube channel. These things are super easy that I don't know why a lot of people are not talking about them. But anyway, I'm here to share them with you. So grab your pen and paper. Let's jump straight in. The first one is the niche you are playing in. If you're going to grow your YouTube channel really fast, get 4,000 watch hours and get monetized, it boils down to the topic you are talking about. When your videos are centered on something a lot of people are interested in, getting views is super easy. So when you pick a topic that a lot of people are already looking for answers on and you begin to provide valuable content on that topic, growing your YouTube channel, getting monetized becomes super easy. That's why you see some channels are growing really faster than others. If you check those channels that are growing fast, they are talking about something a lot of people are interested in. I mean, there's already a demand. So they are providing answers to questions that are already in the minds of people. So if you're starting out and you are struggling, you may need to recheck your niche because this is important. Beyond getting 4,000 watch hours now, when you get monetized, the niche you are playing in, the topic you are talking about will determine how much you earn at the end of the month. There's something called CPM and RPM. CPM means cost per milli, which is how much advertisers are willing to pay for every 1,000 views you get. There are niches that will pay you very high amount of money, and there are niches that will pay you almost nothing. Like this is why you need to recheck your niche. If you need to switch, it is still early now to go for niches that are very profitable in terms of making money, in terms of getting views and watch hours. So to a large extent, the topic of your channel, the niche you're playing in, will determine whether you're going to grow fast or not. Here are some of the niches that are considered evergreen topic. These are high in demand topics. So we have health, wealth, relationship, tech, and beauty. These niches are high in demand topics. Can further be divided into sub niches. For example, wealth, we have make money online, we have business ideas, we have investment. Same thing with health and other ones. So the second secret to getting watch hours really fast, growing your channel and getting monetized is quality content, valuable content. A good niche will bring a lot of people to your videos, but the quality of your content is what keeps them. So you want to make videos that address problems of your audience. One way to do that would be to look out for the frequently asked questions in your niche, and then you start giving answers to the questions that are already in the minds of your audience. One of the biggest advice I will give you right now is to look for 10 or 20 successful YouTubers in your niche, study them to see what they do. You are going to learn a whole lot from them, how to make content, types of content that are actually getting attention, even where, when, and how to deliver the content. There's a whole lot to learn from them. That's why you need to follow them and start learning from them as soon as possible. The goal is to give value in all your content. When you make valuable content, it is super easy to get people to know, like, and trust you. Not only will they watch your videos and stay back, they will also start sharing your videos and recommending your video, your channel, to a whole lot of other people. When this happens, it is super easy to get 4,000 watch hours because every video you upload, people are going to watch it since they know you to be someone that gives value in all your content. Now, the third secret is consistency. Now that you've figured out the first two and you start creating content, you need to be very consistent. The rule is quality and quantity. You should not sacrifice quantity at the altar of quality or quality at the altar of quantity. You have to give value and then be consistent in doing that. One amazing thing about being consistent is that it helps you to build character. Your audience begin to see you as somebody they can trust. Now, you may want to ask me, how often should I publish video? The answer is as often as you can. If you can do daily challenge, beautiful. If you can't do daily, do once in 2 days, twice a week. Whatever it is, you have to set it and then stick to it. However, the minimum you should do is at least one video every week. This is for you to stay top of the mind of your audience. Because if you stay a whole week without showing up, your audience are going to move on to other content creators who do same thing you do. So you should at least publish one video every week on your channel. The truth is that being consistent is not easy. I'm not going to lie. It's actually a very hard thing. But one way to handle it is to batch produce. Create multiple videos at the same time and then schedule them so they go live just when you want them. If you have to make video every time you want to upload video, you make video. There are times you won't be in the mood, you don't feel like doing it, and that's when you begin to slack. So batch producing will help you a whole lot. You can set a day you record videos, so that whole day you are making 3, 4, 5, 6 videos for the whole week. Then you go on to edit the video batch by batch, then you upload them. Good news is you can actually upload videos on YouTube and schedule your video, which means you don't have to be online for those videos to go live. You can actually make 5 videos today and set them once every week. For the next 4 weeks, you will not show up here, and yet your videos are always out when you want them to be. The fourth strategy to getting 4,000 watch hours really fast is going live on YouTube. Guys, this is a no-brainer. Live sessions help you to accumulate a lot of watch hours per time. So imagine going live for 1 hour or 2 and you have like 40 to 50 people join you. At the end of 1 hour, you've gotten 50 watch hours for just 1 hour you spent online. So it is a no-brainer, and it's something you should start as soon as you're eligible to go live. Talking of using live sessions to grow your YouTube channel, one of my clients, Samu, this lady here, does it. As at the time of recording this video, she is live on YouTube, and she's an amazing woman you want to check out. Her channel is Mompreneurs, and she has a lot of value for you. Look at this message. This is message from her. She's talking about how going live is helping her channel to grow. So it is your job to promote it so a lot of people join you. You need to find smart ways to, talk about it. You may probably have to talk about special topics, something a lot of people will be interested in. So when you announce it in your videos or in other platforms where you are very active on, people would love to join, and this will help boost your watch hour. And finally, the fifth one, which is my favorite, and that is build a community around what you do. You have to have a community outside of your YouTube where you gather people who are interested in this thing you talk about. So it could be a WhatsApp group, Telegram group, just whatever you can handle. Give them value on a daily basis, which doesn't have to be a whole lot. When you give value consistently, they come to know, like, and trust you. So whenever you upload a video on YouTube, you get over there to talk about the video and then drop a link to this video. When you do this, you're going to get massive traffic moving from the community to this video. And when you do this consistently, you are sure of getting views on every video. Another thing you also need to do would be to set a benchmark for your videos. Say for every video you upload on YouTube, it has to get 100 or 200 views before you rest. When you have a benchmark, you notice that anytime you upload a video and the video hasn't gotten that number of views, you feel restless. So you have to go out there and do everything to drive the traffic. Until you hit that number, you don't rest. It's actually what I did when I started, and it helped me a lot. So building a community of people who are interested in what you do on another platform and using that platform to drive traffic back to your YouTube channel is a no-brainer. These work. Like I said, I used them, and a whole lot of my students are currently using them to grow their channel. So I'm confident that it will work for you if you implement them. In summary, it's not going to be easy. Getting 4,000 watch hours is not easy, but you've got this. The truth is, it is worth it. So don't give up. Keep creating content, keep showing up, and one day we are going to celebrate you. Let me know the point that resonates so much with you in the comment section. Let me know the one you're going to start implementing immediately. If there are other ones that are not covered here, I would appreciate if you let us know in the comment section too. I hope you got value from this. See you in my next video.